taste test, so I'm gonna get Matt and I to do it so that you get both reviews. Okay, so we're gonna eat it now. This is what it looks like. It's macadamia.
It's like protein bar.
Yeah, it tastes like it. A bit sweet. Actually sweet.
It's like banana.
Yeah. It has like a weird texture to it.
I don't like it.
You like it? You don't like it?
But no.
It's sweet.
I
Yeah,
can taste the texture.
yeah, I can taste the texture as well.
Like, sorry.
It's
For
okay.
me, it's say 6. Okay, I'll give it a 6/10.
So it's over 10. I don't know, I wouldn't be craving for it,
Yeah, me too.
but it's still good, you know?
Well, if I'm hungry, for sure, why
Yeah.
not? You know, I wouldn't say no.
Yeah, add those extra calories,
Can I
so
see the macro?
I'm probably gonna eat it when I crave sweets.
Oh, that's why, because it's
Right,
37 grams of protein.
So yeah,
10
good
grams
though.
of fat.
it's good. And that's the taste test. Good workout today.
You know, shoulders.
Yeah. Anything else that we have to say? But
You can check out our Instagram if you want.
yeah.
You can also click subscribe if you want.
And comment. Also, if there's anything that you guys would like us to do, then yeah, just leave a comment down below. Like what would you want to see, and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, comment, like, And
Please subscribe.